Hello YouTube, this is Titan's Missus. I'm doing this video just to inform Nick Fielding that I'm not stalking you in any way. I'm sorry that you feel that way, I really am. I apologise for anything that's gone on. I just can't believe that you think I'm stalking you, because I really wouldn't have the time to stalk you in any way whatsoever. I mean, I work voluntarily for the charity. I work on a Tuesday for Bernardo's, for this company here. There's Bernardo's. I work for that company on a Tuesday, voluntarily. This is volunteering. And on a Friday I work for Autism Initiatives. When I'm not doing my volunteer work, I'm actually in my home resting, checking my emails to see if there's anything going on with Titan, and just to check up on Titan. It's Titan that I'm in love with, Nick. It's not you. I've got nothing for you. I don't have any feelings for you. My interest in you is because you like robotics like me. That was the only interest that I had in you, Nick. The thing that I like is Titan the robot, the suit. It's not you I've got the feelings for, it's Titan, okay? I am an object, I'm sexual. I'm explaining to you in this video. I mean no harm by this. I'm not here to hurt you in any way. Please understand this. I need you to grasp this, that I'm not here to hurt you in any way. I'm here because I love Titan the robot. That is why my name is Titan's Missus, because I'm his girl. I'm his lover. He's my lover. The problem is I don't get enough time with Titan, obviously, because he's out doing shows making you money. I understand that. I understand that you're a businessman who's out there to make money. I also understand that you deal with an entertainment business. Now you've got to understand, dealing with an entertainment business, you've got to deal with people. You emailed me first, you gave me your email. Emailing me about that you're going to send me a t-shirt, and I appreciate what you've done, that you sent me a t-shirt and you sent me the cutout. I appreciate that. Please just understand, I'm not stalking you, please. I am not stalking you. If I was stalking you, I'd be outside your front door, I'd look up your address, not Titan's address, your home address. I'd look that up if I was stalking you. I'd send you things, which I'm not doing. I've never done that. I've sent you an email explaining to you that I love Titan the robot, that I'm not harming you in any way. I'm not here to harm you. I'm here because I love Titan. That is why I'm here, Nick, because I love your robot. I think it's absolute genius design. And like, you should be proud of yourself that you created something that somebody's actually fallen in love with. Think about it, take the credit for it, Nick, please. You know what I mean? You don't take enough credit. I don't feel you take enough credit for your work. You've done really well, and I'm a nice person. If you get to know me, come and have a drink and we'll have a laugh. Do you know what I mean? So come down and enjoy yourself. Come to Liverpool with Titan this Christmas, and I promise you I will buy you a drink. Again, I have to emphasise that I'm not stalking you in any way. I feel I really have to emphasise this, because if I don't, then you're just gonna keep going on and blocking me and taking me away from Titan for nothing. I've done nothing wrong. I'm an innocent person I have autism. Autism is a developmental disability. I don't even know how to stalk somebody, I'll be honest with you. I don't want to know. I don't know how to do it. I don't want to know how to do it, because in my mind, stalkers are scum, right? They're scumbags. I've been stalked countless times on Facebook. I've explained this to you already. I've been stalked on Facebook. I've had to change my name to my real name, which is Elaine Fielding, because as Elaine Scott and as Elaine's Titan's fiance, I've been getting people stalking me, telling me things about Titan that I don't really want to hear, telling me that they've done weird things with Titan. This is a video just for you, Nick. They've been telling me things that they've been doing things with Titan which I didn't appreciate them doing, self-blocked them, etc. They get a new ID and they keep stalking me. That is stalking. I've tried to be your friend. I've tried to be there for you. I know you might not want me to be there for you, but at the end of the day, you created Titan. You know, I'm here for Titan. I love him more than anything, more than you'll ever understand. You'll never understand my love for Titan. But please understand this, I'm not stalking you. Believe me, I'm not stalking you in any way. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Saying I'm stalking you is a form of slander. I don't want to I do not want to have to get the law involved. I don't want any of that rubbish, because I'm sure you don't have the time, and I know that I don't have the time. I don't have the time to be going to court. I don't have the time to be getting me solicitors and all that. I'm sure you haven't got the time, because you're trying to help Titan and maintain Titan. So please, Nick, understand, I'm not stalking you. I just like you, because you've invented something so nice as Titan. He's absolutely gorgeous, and you've got to, you know, you've done this yourself. I wish I had this kind of this kind of intelligence, because I really don't have it. I'm into robotics and that's it. That's all I know, Nick. I mean, I don't really have much of a social life, I'll be honest with you. So please understand, I'm not stalking you, okay? I'm just going to leave it there now. So I'll see you soon and hope you take care, okay? And keep in touch if you want to. But seriously, I'm innocent, mate. I've done nothing wrong, okay? So I'll see you soon. And I hope that you reply to me. You're always welcome to come on my channel and leave comments and etc. You're always welcome to do that if you've got the time, okay? See you soon.